Okay, welcome back again to this Elgin Model 2468 by Viking. And again, all metal machine, 1.3 amp motor. I'm telling you one thing, it can sew patio blocks, I'm quite sure. But I don't recommend the winner try that, even though it probably could. But you know what? The equivalent of patio blocks is this green tape, or we also call it canvas binding tape. It's incredibly thin, but you can hear that. You can see the wrinkles. I am yanking on that for all I'm worth, and I can't put a dent in it. I can't tear it. I can't rip it because it has that Kevlar type weave running through it. Unbelievably difficult to pierce, unbelievably difficult to sew unless you've got a machine that I've serviced. And I'll tell you one thing, when I got done servicing this machine, again, spent about 10 hours on it, I thought, 8, maybe even 10 layers would be enough of this green tape. Finally settled on 12. You count them with me. Layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. I had to chuckle because this is almost like a road map where it's got that springiness to it, and I sometimes almost lose a grip on it as I'm trying to get it into position. All right, notice as I group it together though from the side what 12 layers of this canvas binding tape looks like. And again, I can only tell you what winners have told me when they receive these samples and they feel it with their own hands and they go, man oh man, that machine is incredible to be able to get through something like that. Some of them already have vintage machines, and their vintage machines could never hope to do this. So follow me down to the needle and watch what this Viking engineered Elgin can do with a task as difficult as this. And I've said it before, the clearance underneath the presser foot on this machine is impressive, but I'm not even using that hyperextension. And you can see with your own eyes, we still have room to spare even without employing that hyperextension. Okay, presser foot down. Now I got to warn you in advance, I might be a little bit naughty here, and I won't even come close to applying the fullness of that 1.3 amps, but we might go through it a little bit faster than usual just for fun. All right, here we go. 12 layers of canvas binding tape. I warned you. I was fairly good on all the other sew-offs. I had to be a little bit naughty on this one, just so you can get a feeling for what this machine is capable of doing. All right, I'm going to turn it like this and kind of pull it back a little bit for the camera, because I know we have kind of a blue on green, which makes it a little bit difficult to see the stitch definition. But I'll tell you one thing, for the winner that gets this, you can see with your own eyes, the spacing, the formation, the integrity of that stitch is just absolutely gorgeous. As I rotate it to the side, look at here from a thickness standpoint again. I've said it in other videos, when you get up to 12 layers of this canvas binding tape, you're talking almost like a mini phone book that you're sewing through. And you just saw it with your own eyes, and again, I didn't even give that full power. I would say probably about 40 to 45% power that I just demonstrated, and it just mowed through it like it was nothing. And there's our lock-in. I'm going to kind of pull it back a little bit again so you can see just how absolutely gorgeous that lock-in stitch is. You know what? I've said it before. Whether you're looking to sew through a canvas type material like this, maybe you do sailing, or whether you're looking to do vinyl, denim, upholstery, leather, it doesn't matter. This Elgin by Viking, it will sew anything.